Greetings, everybody. OnyeEze here, speaking to us once more. Today is Sunday, the 24th of January 2021. I have seen a couple of videos that have left me in utter bewilderment as to what is happening in recent times. And this video, I believe so many of you have seen this video as well, is regarding what is happening in Anambra State, where we now see men being promised to be rich within 1 month. Men are being promised that once they kill and pay into the account of this prophet, no, I don't know. I don't know if it's a native doctor in white garment or someone who is trying to defraud the people. I am alarmed by the sheer number of video and people that attend there. These are not who we are. We are Igbo, and we are hardworking and productive people. We're not easily given into easy money. But it appears that the concept of Nollywood, or what the Nollywood have created, is somehow crippling into our lives. In one of the videos, it is seen that ladies were naked. Ladies were naked, bathing with men in a stream. For what? Just to get easy money, maybe to get husband. You think I'm kidding you? Watch this video. Now, after the video you've watched, there is another clip showing someone in South Africa actually showed his face. He was asked, "What do you do for a living?" He says he is into drug business. Now, he said, or rather the pastor, fake prophet, whatever it is, says he's going to pray for him and do the job for him, that in 4 months' time, he will start flying private jets. The word that broke me is that whatever you do is irrelevant. What is relevant is that you have paid the money and we are going to do this job for you. In 4 months, you start flying private jets.
Private jet, can you make a private jet? No question. Okay, I'm on South Africa.
The richest man in Rift.
Oh, okay. Cobble the richest man in Rift. Na business you want to make. Obasazi. If I be mabu, no gathering anamma. 3 months from now, Ochoba Adakaja.
Now, people remember a video I did about a week ago, and I complained about the siren that I hear in Anambra State. Are we making a link? If we continue in this trajectory, it's going to be difficult for us. We might not be able to control it, because this is evil before our own very eyes, that our women now go naked on camera in order to get whatever they want. How did we get this desperate? How come this desperation crippled the inner? I am alarmed and I am heartbroken. Now, there is something the government can do. I think this individual, whatever he's called, Ochu or whatever, Sochu or whatever he's called, I learned he's in Bo, Anambra State, Idemili. I think what is going to happen is that the federal government, or rather the state government, must step in. He should be in my estimation, arrested and dealt with. There are many grounds that we should or that should warrant his arrest. One, he could be arrested for polluting the waters with blood of animals that he kills in there. He could be arrested for the abuse of the naira, the way he uses the money and throws them in there and the naira swims. That's the abuse of the money, of the currency. He could, honestly, I don't know if all of you are alarmed the way I am, because this is not who we are. Now, in the next clip, he says he's going to raise 7 people on the 28th of January. 28, that is about Thursday or thereabout, and he's going to raise the people.
Yes, this is OnyeEze Jesus Live. I bless you this month, this new year, this January 2021. I bless you this year 2021. My God will set a table before you in the presence of your enemies. And 23. This year 2021, you will rule in the midst of your enemy. Psalm 110. This year 2021, my God will silence your enemies. Psalm 144. 43. Psalm 143. Psalm 143. This year 2021, my God will make you that sow with tears last year. This year, you will reap with joy. Psalm 127. This year, you will be under the shadow of God. Psalm 91. Psalm 91, you will dwell under the secret place of the Most High. Psalm 91. Let me tell you, gather all your friends, gather all your relations, your friends, everybody. Tell them that OnyeEze Jesus will raise 7 dead bodies in the mortuary in the city of Onitsha. 28th of this month, January 28th, I will be in a top hospital in this Onitsha, the biggest hospital in this Onitsha, to raise a mortuary, to raise 7 dead bodies. Ọbụrụkwa ndị nwụọ ọfụ nọ ndị nwụọ before enyesiwe date. Ọ ga-adịkwa egwu that day. Invite, share this message, share this broadcast. Gbafa na OnyeEze Jesus ga-ekuni mmadụ 7 nwụrụ anwụ na mortuary 28th of this month. Ọ ga-adịkwa egwu. Ka m wee gwa anyị na God ka nwee power. Ka m gwa anyị na Jehovah ka nwee power. I'm sure man aka na-asụ otu worldwide. Anyị adịrị ebua. This year, this month, 28th of January, aga m akpọni mmadụ 7 nwụrụ anwụ enyegwe date a ga-ejikwa.
Now, this is an arrangee, whatever idiotic, stupid thing he's doing. By the sheer number of people that attend here, that is what alarms me, because it means that many of them watching are believing that this nonsense works. That's why they flock in there, hoping that he will do whatever he does for them, so that they will be rich. People, riches come from hard work and dedication, with some element of maybe, being able to grab opportunity, but you need to be ready when the opportunity comes. Riches cannot come overnight. And that's why you see, when I complain about this siren, I can see men, women who have no basis in their riches. They just overflow or kind of get into that overnight, and you see them move with siren. Even someone driving himself with halos is using siren. How come? How did we get into this level of madness? I want us all, be you blogger, politician, medical doctor, whatever you are, we must nip this in the bud before it hurts us collectively. Imagine how the whole nation would be viewing us as Igbo. This is not who we are. We are hardworking people. We have people we can emulate, people we know their sources of their, of their wealth. I was in Alaba yesterday. Oh, sorry, not Alaba. I was in Computer Village yesterday for the first time after about 8 years that I visited Lagos. And I came to repair my phone. And I saw this individual, very hardworking. 9 o'clock is already there. And, you know, trying everything to fix my phone. I got into conversation with them. And there is this young man you will see in this video. This young man has come for the apprenticeship program. Once, I don't know how long he's going to stay, 5, 6, 7, 8 years. He will learn the trade and he will begin on his own journey. That is who we are. We are a people that teaches one another how we acquire wealth. This quick wealth is not who we are. I denounce it. I am not part of it. The reason why I'm speaking out and making this video is for that to be on record. That I denounce this ritual, this easy, you know, in as much as I do not believe that it works, but the mentality and the continuation will mean that people will believe that this thing works and they will stop working hard. And when they will stop working hard, it is going to hurt us. People, there is no shortcut to success. There is no shortcut to success. It's dedication, hard work. As I said, many of us have been working hard. And, you know, it pays off, but it's not, you know, I mean, we are comfortable. We can't say we are not comfortable, but let things be done right. Again, I repeat, I want to put it on record because there is this Igbo adage that says, a wise man or an elder cannot be in the house while a pregnant goat gives birth while tied to the rope. No, it must be free. And there must be dissenting voices that can speak out. I am lending my voice to condemn this act. And I go further to say that I call on Anambra State Governor to do the needful, to wade in to stop this madness. Because if this madness is not stopped, it's going to hurt us all. And when it does, we all will be the victims. Because when these people fail, when they do all these things and they fail, it's going to hurt us. And the worst part is, in one of the audios that I would attach at the end of this, you will listen to it. The audio where he says, you pay 250,000 to me, and once I do that job for you, condition is you have to buy me a car. People, something is cooking. I am sad that this sadly is happening in Anambra State. Just the one we see on video. But there are many of these that we don't even see. This is how we violate the mother nature. We go in there, we kill animals, we pour them in there. We go there, we make sacrifices, we pour those bottles, those plastics into the lakes, into the rivers. We are destroying the environment. We must be environmental conscious. We must be conscious of our environment. I denounce this once more. This is not who we are. On that note, I will say, I have said mine. I think a word is enough for the wise. If you have ears, listen. I want you to join me to condemn this act of open rituals, you know, ladies, men being naked, bathing together in an environment where we engage in this manner of barbarism. I condemn it and I feel sad. Thank you very much. I hope you that have listened to me, please, I beg and indulge you, do not engage in such manner of barbarism. Please, work hard. It pays to work hard. You live comfortably. You know, you stay on your own and you will enjoy your wealth. Thank you very much. I remain OnyeEze. Peace out.
2021 ka Igbo ụmụnna ga-egwu mana before itinye ego mụ na ị ga-emekwa video call edicha ọnụọmụ ọfụma maka na ndị wayo erike ndị ji ilu m alụpụ iche erike
ihe ti 250,000 tata maọbụ echi mana ị ga-eso na ndị a ga-alụlụ ọrụ Satọde alụsịalụ ya ọrụ egburugbu na-agba n'anyanwụ bifo Ista ịnata obodo a kama cheta na alụkwalụ ya ọrụ first of all ihe bụ ụzọ gotalụ moto igota moto ị na-achụ aja every month ife a na-eme ebe ị nọ ị ga na-abịa aka nị na aka ekpe na mmiri enwere ilo Satọde alụbalụ ya ọrụ nruo na mmiri akpọọ gị kọlụ ị na-ekwu na-eme ihe akwụ ụgwọ na akaụntụ a m ga-esendịrị ị na ịkwụ ụgwọ isendị alụm skrip iji kwụ ụgwọ adị nchọ na ịkwụ ụgwọ sendị ya 4 of your pictures ya na mmanya lokal gọọmenti nlụsịalụ ya alụm skrip iji kwụ ụgwọ adị nchọ na ịkwụ ụgwọ sendị ya 4 of your pictures ya na mmanya lokal gọọmenti nlụsịalụ ya ọrụ Satọde before 7 days ijiri anya ị na-afụ ịma na ọ na-eme